Building your first service business website with Dazzly Website Builder. First, go to dazzly.co.nz, click Create a Website. In this case, we'll be using Service Warrior 2, and fill in the sign up form and click Create Website. So we're jumping into the Dazzly platform. The first thing we'll be doing is uploading our business logo. So we'll click on Add a Logo. We click on Browse Files to browse the files from our computer, and we'll select the logo of the Peninsula Builders Company. We'll click Save Changes, and as simple as that, we've already put a logo on the website. Now we'll go choose colours, and note for the colour scheme that we automatically grab the colours from the logo. So instead of using this blue here, we'll actually just use our adjuster here and get a slightly lighter blue. That looks good, maybe a bit lighter. We'll go Save Changes. Great, so now we've added a colour scheme and a logo. We'll click on the background photo. Now we're going to take a look and see if we can find something good in our stock image library. So there are building companies, so we'll put home. Have a look here through our integration with Pixels, see if there's something appropriate. None of these look too good. Let's try a different term, I think. How about house? Okay, that looks much better. We'll select that for our homepage background. Click Save Changes. Great. Now we will input the introduction text. So, welcome to Peninsula Builders Company website. We build Auckland homes. Good to keep it quite short. There is a character guidance there as well. Next, we'll put a tagline, something inspirational. Building Auckland homes since 1982. Next one, we'll add services. So the great thing about Dazzly is every time you add a service to your website, it creates an entirely new page centered around this service. So we'll give it the title New Builds, as in New Build Homes. Put a main image in there, and then we'll add a couple of sections to this page just to give it some basic content. So we'll divide the 3 sections up. So New Builds, we'll put an image there associated with that, from ones we've prepared earlier on the computer. The next section, give it a try with property development, and put a little spiel about that there. And again, let's get a relevant image from the photos we've prepared earlier. And finally, the third section of this page, we will add something hopefully a bit inspirational and encouraging the customers to get in touch. So something perhaps they need assistance with any part of the build. And again, a relevant piece of text there. This time we'll take another image from the computer and put that on there. So that's it. We'll have created a quite high quality service page for the new build service. We're going to add a couple more services in here. We'll speed things up. So you don't want to watch that again. So we've got renovations, and we also have other smaller jobs. So again, you can see here, we're just putting the relevant headers and relevant photos in for the renovations page. So we'll do something on kitchen renovations, then naturally we'll do something on home extensions under that page as well. So no matter what service you do, you can make as many service pages as you like. They come out looking really good off your menu, and what we actually end up building here is a very comprehensive website. So we'll just finish with this page for the smaller jobs, then got a few more of the crucial bits of information to add, but then we're going to add a few extras to the site as well. So we'll also be adding in some gallery images, and additionally we'll be adding in some client testimonials too. So you'll see in just a few minutes we'll be building a very comprehensive, very high quality service-based website, very appropriate for any New Zealand business, and as you can see, it's something you can do entirely yourself. So we'll put a brand statement here. They do look quite good in capitals, so we'll just put that in there. Building quality Auckland homes. Photo of the team, so the guys and girls from on site. Again, we have a team photo prepared. And as you can see, we're almost getting there. So we've tried to make Dazzly as easy as possible for anyone to use. This is our About Us text, so you can write a good spiel of text about the business here, perhaps a bit about the history, the values, the sort of jobs you do and where you do them. it's a good chance for the customers to learn a little bit more about your business, and then in the end we really encourage you to put a phone number there so that customers can get directly in touch with any questions. So as I said, those are the basics. We're just going to add a little bit more on because we really think it adds quite a lot to the website. So being builders, we'll show some of those professional qualifications and also some of the partner companies they work with. So no matter what service business you're in, you have suppliers and other companies that help you make up your offering. So we'll just get those in there, as well as of course some of the qualifications that you can get for your industry. That'll be looking a lot more professional. So we're another step closer. Now we'll go down and take a look at adding, how about we do the testimonials next. So we add testimonial, put the message here from the customer that you've gotten over time, put the customer's name in there, and if you put their location too, that can be really helpful for helping you rank better on search engines and searches in your local area. So again, we'll put another customer's name and suburb there, and we'll put a final third testimonial there, just so you'll get the idea. Next we'll go down and add those gallery images in that we've prepared. Again, all this stuff counts. You're going to end up with a much more comprehensive website, and as you can see, it really only takes a few minutes to add these extras in, and you'll get an entirely additional page as well. So we'll put a caption here for the deck and the other information, and as you can see, we'll add a few of these gallery images, but we'll just speed up through there. It's quite easy. Just grab an image off your PC, put a tag against it, and as long as you save it, and then of course remember to publish the changes, it will be available on your website preview URL, all optimized, loading super fast on mobile. So even if you're out on a remote job site or wherever you happen to be rurally, Dazzly websites will load very fast down to your mobile device. So we've hit the publish there. As you can see, it's loading across the top, and we also have the indicator on the left hand side of the screen. And in just a moment, the website will be ready, and it's really excited to show you this. So preview, view preview, the yellow button on the left hand side, and as you can see, it's quite a large website that we've just put together in, well, really just under 10 minutes. So we'll scroll down, you can see the partner logos here. You've got your lead in to your service pages there. Great shot of the team and a good write-up of the company to the right there, accompanied with the Google map showing the service area of the business. Again, we have a services menu. You can take a look, and we've got those great photos there, making up what ends up being a really high quality page. But as you can see, it's as simple as just a couple of photos and a little bit of text, and you can throw that together in your own home or office. Of course, if you do run into any issues putting the website together, it's 100% Kiwi owned and operated, 100% Kiwi supported, so do not hesitate to give us a call on the 0800 number, which is available throughout the website. So we'll take a look at the gallery here. You can see we've got some great images there, all tagged in, health and safety, just to give a customer a really good impression of the business. And once again, these load great on mobile devices too. So it's really appropriate for any business in New Zealand to jump on board, make their own website, and have something that they can genuinely be proud of that you can put together in just one afternoon.